First, click on the front plane and start a new sketch. Now grab the line tool and turn off for construction and draw a straight vertical line. Now you can turn off the construction mode and get a normal solid line and start near the center line and draw a straight line out to the right. Now by next using the smart dimension tool, you can set the length of this line using the technical diagram. Now you can go up near the top and then draw another horizontal line coming out from the center line. Now to set the distance between the both lines, you can again use smart dimension and give the respective dimension. Now we'll give dimension to the top line as well. Once this is done, from the bottom line we'll draw a vertical line and do the same process of using smart dimension, giving it the proper dimension. Now from the vertical line we'll create a horizontal line. Again the same process. And then we'll connect the top line and the bottom horizontal line. Once this is done, we will go to sketch fillet and then pick the radius size and click the sharp corners to round them out. So to make the outside corner even rounder, just increase the fillet radius value and click on both the lines. Now that the half shape is done, to highlight all the lines, we'll select all lines and select the vertical center line as to be mirrored above, and then we click on mirror entities and choose the vertical center line to flip the lines over the other side. So we are over with this. We have a proper sketch. And now we exit the sketch. And we go to the features tab and we click on Extruded Boss space. And we can set it to the desired thickness. So now to clean the sharp edges, we click on the fillet tool again. And then we set the size accordingly and click the main faces to round them off. So we do this on both sides. And that's it. So your simple handle is ready.